Yo, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. A very big welcome to you. All right, so what I want to talk about today is how to convert a large MP3 file or audio file to a small size. How to compress it to a small size. There are some times that when you record on your phone, the space is going to take it's going to be large. It's going to be very, very, very large. It can take like 100 plus MB, and you actually don't want that because you can't send it out to people. So you will need to compress it before you can send it out to people. All right, so the first thing you want to do here is just to download this mp3 compressor. Okay, mp3 compressor, or you can download m4a audio compressor. I think this is actually going to work very fine because that is what I'm using. All right, so now you will see the way it works. Now I'm going to show you in a practical way. All right, so you are going to choose, let me choose an audio file. All right, so let me choose another. I want to choose an audio file that is very large. Okay, so David, I think this one is 12. All right, so let me choose this one. Should I choose that? Yeah, let me choose it. Okay, just once. All right, I'm not playing it. I'm just choosing it. Though. I'm not playing. All right, so I've choose the file now. So you can see everything here. You can see the file. So all you just need to do is just to click on next. When you click on next, you can see everything now. You say file 1 total length. So compressed length is going to compress it to 2.7. It's going to compress it to 2.7. 2.7. And you can actually reduce everything here. Like you can reduce, a higher volume means greater compression. When you give it a higher volume, it's going to compress it really hard. So you can just put it here. You can put it at 4. Yeah, you can put it. I think 4 is still okay. And all you just need to do is just to click on start. And once you click on start, you will see everything is going to what? It's going to compress the audio file for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Yes, and you can share with your friends, but I will want you guys to comment. Please, after watching this video, you find it very useful, you can just drop a comment and you can give your opinion on anything you want to say. Please just drop your comment. I will really be happy when you drop your comment in the comment section. All right, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you. You're welcome.